Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get up and start studying. First, prepare your study environment. Clear your desk, gather all necessary books and notes, and ensure good lighting. Next, set a specific, manageable goal for your session, like completing one chapter or solving 5 problems. Finally, employ the 5-minute rule. Commit to studying for just 5 minutes. Often, once you start, you'll find it easier to continue for much longer, building momentum effortlessly. Overcoming the initial inertia is key. Break down your study material into smaller, bite-sized tasks. Instead of study for 3 hours, try read 10 pages or solve 2 problems. Then, use a timer for focused work. The Pomodoro technique, for example, suggests 25 minutes of work followed by a 5-minute break. These short, structured intervals help maintain concentration and prevent burnout, making the entire process feel less daunting and more achievable. To sustain your focus, actively eliminate distractions. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary browser tabs, or use a website blocker for 25-minute intervals. Remember to stay hydrated. A glass of water can do wonders. Take short, 5-minute physical breaks every hour to stretch or walk around, which boosts blood flow and re-energizes your brain. A quick review of what you just learned helps solidify the information before moving on. As your study session concludes, take a moment to reflect on what you've achieved. This reinforces your progress and builds confidence. Before completely stepping away, quickly plan your next study session. Jot down the topics you'll cover and any materials you'll need. This reduces friction for your next start. Finally, acknowledge your hard work. Celebrating even small accomplishments helps maintain motivation and makes future study sessions much more appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.